This is actually an EAS on KZZ52. Hello?
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a snow squall warning for Hope County in central Iowa.
This is a snow squall warning EAS on my walkie-talkie.
Madison County in south central Iowa. Eastern Guthrie County. Boone County
I'm trying to
in
get this
central
one to
Iowa.
work.
Eastern Adair County in
I
southwestern
think this
Iowa.
will.
Dallas County in central Iowa. Warren County
I never got a snow squall warning before. This is on KZZ52.
At 7:22 a.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Ogden to near DeSoto to 4 miles east of Lennox, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards
This is my first snow squall warning
of heavy snow
EAS.
significantly reduce the visibility below a half-a mile. Winds are generally under 15 miles per hour, but any wind will blow the snow and further reduce the visibility. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: dangerous and life-threatening travel conditions.
And this is chance 7 on it, but it's chance 6.
in the warning area. This includes the following.
I knew there would be an EAS because when I saw it, I thought it could be on Des Moines weather radio station, but it's on KZZ52, I guess. This is unexpected.
Between mile markers 90 and 142.
This is 50 EAS in the New Year's.
35 between mile markers 1 and 14. Locations impacted include Des Moines, Ames, West
And I've
Des
got
Moines,
KZZ52 EAS other than the child abduction emergency, but never a severe weather warning.
Boone, Norwalk, Pleasant Hill, Grimes, Perry, Nevada, Winterset, Jefferson, Adele, and Windsor Heights. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. Consider avoiding or delaying travel until the snow squall passes your location. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a snow squall